Forgotten your Apple account password? Don't worry, it's easy to reset it using your iPhone or another trusted Apple device that's already signed into your Apple account. Here's how. In Settings, tap your name. Then tap Sign In and Security and tap Change Password. If Stolen Device Protection is enabled, you may be required to wait for 1 hour before you can use Face ID to reset your Apple account password. When you're ready, enter your device passcode and enter your new password in both fields. Tap Continue, and when prompted, choose whether to sign out other devices that are using your Apple account. If you still need help, visit iforgot.apple.com. And that's it. Password reset.